Hey guys, welcome back to Sailing Moxie. I'm heading down to the boat right now, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the status of the engine and a few other projects I've been working on Moxie lately. If you remember from previous episodes, a little over a year ago I was moving Moxie, my Hunter 54, from a mooring ball in Sarasota, Florida up to a marina in Tampa. Shortly after the trip began, my engine blew, and I had to get towed. But I did make it up to Tampa, where I've been working on all sorts of projects. Mostly a major refit of the interior. Some friends and I pulled the engine out a few months later using Moxie's boom. And I delivered it to a local engine mechanic to rebuild it. The cause was that oil wasn't flowing properly for one of the 4 cylinders. This caused things to seize up, and it destroyed one of my connecting rods. The piston inside also got damaged, and it actually turned out that the block itself cracked. The mechanic acquired a good used replacement block. He's rebuilt the engine and is currently testing it. I hope to have the engine back on board in just a few weeks. Then I can finally get back out on the water. In the meantime, I've been cleaning out the engine area and bilge to prepare it for when the engine will go back in. This area had gotten pretty nasty because of all the sanding and other work I've been doing. Not to mention when the boat flooded. It doesn't look great now, but I promise it will. More to come on that soon. I've been working on lots of other projects on Moxie as well. One project is I'm upgrading my shore power system from 30 amps to 50 amps, which required a new inlet and wiring. That project is still ongoing and is part of a total electrical upgrade and rewiring of the boat. Another project is an upgrade of my docking system, to include new dock lines and snubbers. Right now, I'm just using old running rigging lines, which is not the right thing to do since they don't stretch. I've also been considering replacing my non-sailing deck cleats with flush ones that drop into the deck. If you have any good or bad experiences with those on a sailboat, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it. I also sold the 2 kayaks I had bought just a few months ago. Mostly because they were a bit too unstable for me and I flipped in one of them. That wasn't fun. Plus they took up a lot of room on the deck. In the future, I'll just buy one larger one. I had bought 2 so friends could use them as well. I'll get rid of my rigid hull dinghy soon as well, to clear more deck space. That's just a quick update. There's lots more happening on Moxie. Keep up with things on Instagram as well because I post there more frequently. And I'll be posting more videos soon. As always, thanks for watching Sailing Moxie. We'll see you next time.